Hello to all math enthusiasts. Welcome to Math 1047 or College Math 2 course at NSCC. I hope you are all pumped up after your Math 1046. Those who have done this course with me in the previous term, please welcome back. Great job that you cleared that course. I'm so happy to see all of you back. Most of you back, of course. And those who are new to this group, yes, you have done 1046 in past, but with us, with this group, if this is your first time or this is how you are starting, then please introduce yourself to us. We would love to know more about you. So I'll just go over the course and how the Brightspace layout is for this particular course. So you will see all the options on the tabs on the top: course home, content, resources, communication, assessment. So this is on the top. On the right is my favorite part, which is the calendar. You will see that today is Monday, June 22nd morning, and we are recording this when I'm recording this video and when we are starting this course. June 24th, 2 days from now, is when you will finish the welcome unit. In that, you will have to do the to-do list. Just review it. It's not a big thing. Introduce yourself, please. We all would love to know each other, right? So take your time to introduce yourself. Also, just remember that 2 days after that is the last day to withdraw from this course with a final grade of W. Okay, so we have still not decided if somebody withdraw, let's skip that part. And later on, you will see that Unit 1 is already due on June 29th, which is actually Monday next week. So let's get right into our course content. So how I play with my courses, I'm taking so many courses on Brightspace right now. I teach as well as I create courses, as well as I deliver courses or teach or also take courses when I'm learning. Just FYI, I'm at Dalhousie University in DDS program in my second year. So yes, I have done Masters in Education. Then I'm also doing my DDS and I'll become a dentist in 2 years, I hope. Fingers crossed. So yes, I'm taking a lot of courses. How I play with Brightspace is go into content section right here, click on contents. Then you will see that all the contents are laid out right here, whatever we are going to do. So this is a good place to just get a picture of what will be, what to be expected in this course. Overview, bookmarks, it is for you to bookmark something in this course if you would want. And then course schedule. So you will see that in next 7 days we have something due. Okay, so when I come to the table of contents, I will see a layout of all these sections in this course, which I can just see here: the welcome section, your student links for my math lab, as well as other units. Let's jump to the welcome unit, which is going to be due in couple days. Okay, and I know it's just a formality for some, or some might think that why do I have to do this, but it is actually worth some points. So please go for it. I will really encourage you to just give us a little introduction about yourself so that we can form a community where we support each other. So on the welcome unit, if you click right here, it will take you to this welcome tab. First thing is course overview. Make sure you click on this one and review the course. So if I do that, here is my course overview, what I should expect about this course, what are my learning outcomes, and some tips to be organized. Going back, my next thing is meet your facilitator. Here I am. So there is this link is only important when you want to find my email address or my phone. I'm available by text, or I'm always reachable by emails. I also encourage you to start working on Microsoft Teams. Just download it, just keep it on the site and use NSCC email or webmail for that, because on Teams we can hang out, we can communicate with each other. If there is a specific thing that I should have a discussion with you, we will use Teams. Not for doubt solving as per, because for doubts I always create a video and send it to you individually, or post it on Brightspace so that other can also see that kind of a small micro teaching topic. But for other communication, when you are struggling with the course or other responsibilities, or you just want to talk to your instructor about something, you can see me, call me, or meet me in the Teams platform. Okay, so back to welcome unit. This was meet your facilitator. Then there is a to-do list. This is one of the things that you have to finish by June 24th. So make sure you go through that to-do list. If you have already done that in the previous course, it's going to be smooth. Just do it fast. Okay. Then course outline is right here. Tentative work plan is just underneath it. So course outline, this is where you will see that what should I expect in this course. Remember, this is the highlight of this course outline. And how should I zoom in? Right here. So this will be the highlight of the course outline at NSCC's Math 1047. The homework assignments are worth 15% on my Math Lab. The application assignments, there are 4, which are 2.5% each. There will be pre-test as well as test. Pre-test are awesome. I love pre-test. I'm so excited about pre-test because you get 2 attempts and you can just find out what the test is going to look like. If you do not do good in the first attempt of your pre-test, you stop and you go back to your study plan, you go back to the homework and try to do it again, learn it again. If there is some specific topic that you're not clear about, you will reach out to me and I'll explain it to you. I'll create a video to micro teach that particular kind of concept and get you ready for the test. Give the pre-test again. If you are getting a high score in 80s, 90s, or somewhere which you are looking for, you are aiming for, everyone has a different aim. Some are aiming for 60s. So I would say that yes, whatever your aim is, if you are not going above that, please do not give the test yet, because the test is worth higher marks. It is 7.9% each, which makes 55% of the total marks. And if you fail even one test, you will not pass the course. So for passing the course, you must pass all the 7 tests. Okay, I hope this was a little clear. Going back, there is a tentative work plan. So this is a very cool thing to get you in schedule, right? So this is again my instructor info, my phone number, and the information about textbook. You can use the same Pearson My Math Lab which you have used in the previous course. So nothing changed. You will see the marking scheme here once again, and you will see this course plan. Now, course plan is fun. Take a calendar. This is how I do it. You might have a different way, but I either take my NSCC webmail Outlook calendar, or I put a calendar on my wall and I write down this one is the deadline for this unit, another deadline for this unit. Just make a red or write the unit name and create a chart, because there are 7 weeks, 7 units. We need to make good use of each of those. So this will help us plan our schedule for next few weeks in this course. Okay, finally, schedule and deadline, kind of similar thing again. Make sure you go through all of these and post a question here. If I don't answer a question at time, one of your friends will answer, and that's okay. And I'm not like going to answer all the things. I always wait. I encourage your peers to answer any question, and if there is any wrong information, I'll come back and help you out. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. So this was all about the welcome unit. Okay, whenever you have any concern, please reach out to me. How do you access Pearson My Math Lab is still the same. You scroll down and right here you see Pearson My Math Lab. You click on it. For me, it gives me a different kind of setup when I see students and instructor link separately, but for you, it will open right away to your student links, and where you will see all your assignments. So we will start registering ourselves. I kind of have registered already, but you will enter all your information and finally proceed with your homeworks and My Math Lab courses. Okay, so if I say go to courses, it will just give me a shoot on everything. I hope this was okay. I really hope you got a little bit help with the bright space. My last information on, I know it's a lot of thing in one video, but my last bit of information is on My Math on My Math Lab. You will see that there are variety of tools available. There are homeworks, there are pre-test, test, and the best one is study plan. The study plans are not something that you will get any score on, but study plan is something that you will get a lot of practice, and it will just help you learn it better. So make sure you use the study plans, you do the homework before you try for your pretest. Some homework will say that it will affect your study plan score. Does not matter. Study plan score is not accounted for the course. Only the score you get in your homework and in your pre-test and test is accounted for. Okay. More information to come. A lot of things that we will discuss in this course, but above everything, welcome. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.